Immortality. Who wants to live for thousands of years? Golden rules. The first law, maintaining the normal life of the past. If man does not harmonize himself with the world, he will be removed from existence. Man's pride gives him a sense of superiority, so that with wars and the destruction of the earth, he finally causes the elimination of his species. By destroying all kinds of human races, it upsets the balance by creating greenhouse gases through the consumption of fossil fuels, and also by producing meat under the processes of manipulating animal species and destroying forests to create a place to keep and feed animals. It is not enough not to harm one's fellow man, but one must help them. By putting aside prejudice and creating a global culture that requires a communication language and a single currency. If there are people in a place who need help, whether you like it or not, you have to help them because they will inevitably affect the entire world by damaging our common environment, the Earth. Indifference in the short term may make you think that the matter has nothing to do with you, but in the long run you will see. The current Earth is the result of millions of years of efforts of nature and its creatures. If we try to disturb the balance of humans and other creatures, we have to pay for it. This imbalance means both an increase and a sharp decrease of an animal or plant species. Because, for example, with the increase of cows, sheep and chickens to produce food, you must destroy wild forests and other species of animals, which again disturbs the balance. The second rule, immediate action based on available knowledge. Abandon prejudice. Creating an official language for all humans. Create official money. Creating global culture. Stop wars. Removing the borders of countries. Preservation of animal and plant species and balance of all organisms. Not polluting the air with fossil fuels. Not polluting the air by excessive consumption of meat. Settlement of deserts. Helping the oceans to return to the cycle of oxygen production. In unity and cooperation with the whole environment and save the earth. The third law, new scientific efforts. Scientific limitations of the human body. Stop the aging process. Change in human needs, such as not eating water and bulky food. Changing the internal organs of the body with human-made counterparts or replacing blood with a stronger liquid. Finding habitable planets. Creating living conditions on discovered planets. Transportation routes between planets. The change of human needs from the available energy sources, even though fossil fuel is removed and replaced with solar and wind energy. With the absence of wind, life stops. And one should even predict the disappearance of the sun or the discovery of a planet further away from the sun. The only problem. If the above is impossible or very difficult for you, it is because of the ethics present in all humans on Earth. It is necessary to start unity in solving problems. A global force or government should be established as soon as possible to coordinate the whole world. So we can conclude. Man is still in his childhood and needs time to pass through it, which is a contradiction because there is not enough time.